So in this video, I'll explain the 4 biggest benefits of walking for a beginner or anyone at any fitness level. Also, learn about the seemingly odd item I carry with me on my walks. They may seem out of place for a walk, but you'll learn of their amazing benefits and never go walking without them again. And walking is a low impact and easy to do form of exercise that is a great way to get in shape. It doesn't require any special equipment. It can be done anywhere and is suitable for people of all fitness levels. Now in this video, I'll break down the 4 biggest benefits of walking for a beginner and why you should be doing it several times a week. Now overall, walking is a simple yet effective exercise that can get you in shape and improve your overall physical health and emotional well-being. So watch till the end of this video where I reveal my number 1 strategy that I use to get in more walking time, and it makes walking my go-to physical exercise.
The first benefit of walking. Walking burns calories. Walking is a great way to burn calories and lose weight. A brisk walk can burn as many calories as a jog or run, and it's a much lower impact exercise that is easier on your joints. The number of calories you burn while walking depends on several factors, such as the person's weight, walking speed, distance covered, and terrain. However, on average, a person who weighs 155 pounds and walks at a brisk pace of 3.5 miles per hour can burn around 300 to 300 calories per hour. If the same person increases their walking speed to 4.5 miles per hour, they can burn around 400 to 450 calories per hour. Keep in mind, these are estimates, and the actual number of calories burned can vary from person to person.
Now, I've been walking for several years now, and let me tell you, a pace of 4.5 miles per hour is really fast, and quite honestly, I don't recommend you walking that fast all the time. Now, I love my time on the road for the emotional uplift, the stress relief benefits, and the ideas that I generate while I'm out on my walks. Now, let me tell you, one time I set a metronome, and I set it at a rapid pace so I could time my steps with the beat so that I could walk at a quicker pace to see how I would do. Now, by the end of this, it felt like I was doing a running workout where I was huffing and puffing and I couldn't let my mind wander. So that's the exact opposite of how I like to feel during my walks. So with this in mind, let me talk briefly about HIIT, or HIIT, high intensity interval training.
If you want to walk faster, try doing so for a short amount of time, such as 1 to 2 minutes, or better yet, pick a spot in the distance and increase your pace until you reach that spot. It could be an intersection, a utility pole, a parked car, or anything. Then walk slower for a minute or two and repeat the pattern. Do this a few times during your walk. Don't let the name high intensity scare you. This is what is called interval training. It will teach your body to move faster, but not overwhelm your entire walk. Now, I suggest a slower pace and stay out on the road a little longer if you want to burn more calories.
And before I get to the next 3 benefits, let me answer the question of who am I to talk so much about the benefits of walking? Well, I'm Frank Ring. I'm the author of the Amazon bestselling book, Walking for Health and Fitness, and I have 3 other walking-themed books on Amazon. I got into walking several years ago after a serious back injury put me out of work for 4 months, and I was told I may need surgery to correct the severely herniated disc that I had. Thankfully, I didn't need the operation, so I turned to walking to help me recover and to get stronger. Now I share my knowledge and my love of walking with others via my books, my website, my videos, and my walking programs. Now I'll leave a link in the description to my complete bio. So please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up so that it will be shown to more walking enthusiasts. And lastly, get the latest edition of my Walking Inspiration newsletter sent directly to your inbox every quarter. I do it with the change of season. Each issue is packed with walking, health, and fitness information and content related to the season. Thank you.
The second benefit of walking. Walking boosts cardiovascular health. Walking is a great way to improve your cardiovascular health. It can help lower your blood pressure, reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke, and improve your cholesterol levels. Walking can boost cardiovascular health in several ways. 1, it improves blood circulation. Walking increases blood flow throughout the body, which helps to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by lowering blood pressure and decreasing the strain on the heart. 2, it strengthens the heart. Walking is a low impact cardiovascular exercise that helps to strengthen the heart muscle and improve its ability to pump blood. 3, lowering cholesterol. Walking helps to reduce LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, also known as good cholesterol, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 4, reducing inflammation. Walking can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can contribute to improved cardiovascular health. And number 5, as we talked about previously, managing weight. Walking can be an effective way to manage weight, which is important for cardiovascular health as obesity is a risk factor for heart disease. Overall, walking is a simple and effective way to improve cardiovascular health, and it can be easily incorporated into your daily routines. The third benefit of walking. Walking strengthens muscles and bones. Walking is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it helps to strengthen your bones and muscles. It can also help improve your balance and reduce your risk of falls. Walking can strengthen muscles and bones in several ways. 1, weight-bearing exercise. Walking is a weight-bearing exercise, which means that it requires your body to work against gravity. This helps to stimulate the bones and muscles in your legs, hips, and spine, which can lead to increased bone density and muscle strength over time. Number 2, resistance training. Walking can also be a form of resistance training, particularly if you walk uphill or against the wind. This can help to strengthen the muscles in your legs, buttocks, and core, which can improve your balance and stability. Number 3, low impact exercise. Walking is a low impact exercise, which means that it is easy on your joints and can be a good option for many people who may not be able to engage in high impact activities like running or jumping. This makes it a great way to build strength and endurance without putting too much stress on the bones and muscles. Number 4, increased circulation. Walking can help to improve circulation to the muscles and bones, which can provide them with the nutrients and oxygen they need to stay strong and healthy. Overall, walking is a great way to strengthen muscle and bones and can be an effective form of exercise for people of all ages and fitness levels. The fourth benefit of walking reduces stress. Walking is a great way to reduce stress and improve your mental health. It can help to clear your mind, improve your mood, and reduce the symptoms of anxiety and depression. Walking can be an effective way to reduce stress for several reasons. Number 1, physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural chemicals in the body that can improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. 2, walking outside in nature can be particularly beneficial for reducing stress, as it allows you to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and engage with the natural world. Exposure to sunlight can also boost vitamin D levels, which has been linked to improved mental health. Number 3, walking can also provide a sense of accomplishment and control over your health and well-being, which can help to reduce the feelings of stress and anxiety. Number 4, taking a break from work or other stressful activities to go for a walk can help you clear your mind and gain a fresh perspective on whatever is causing your stress. And number 5, walking can be a mindful practice, allowing you to focus on the present moment and engage with your senses, which can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety.
Now, here is my number 1 strategy to walk more. Develop a get out the door routine that takes away the guesswork on what to wear and what to carry with you on your walks. Being organized and prepared makes getting out the door easy. There's nothing more frustrating than wanting to get out there to walk, than having to hunt around for your sneakers. What socks are you wearing? The pants, the jacket, the clothes that fit with the change of season and the weather conditions. The next thing you know, a half hour has passed by, you're still not out the door. Now you're frustrated, and the burst of inspiration that you had and the motivation to get out the door is gone. Okay? Now, I have a place in my home where everything is laid out for me. My sneakers, my jacket, my pants, my pack of what I carry. My water bottle is all set. I take notes on the weather conditions on the day that I walk, just because when you look at the weather in real feel, you want to know that you're wearing the right stuff, that you're not uncomfortable when you get out there. It takes the guesswork out of it, and you'll be comfortable every time. Now, in my pack, I carry earbuds, I carry a pen, paper, reading glasses, and other items I need during the walk. Then I check the real feel, as I said, and now I know exactly what I want to wear to stay comfortable. Now, you might be wondering, why do I take along pen, paper, and reading glasses when I'm out walking? And it's simple. It's what I call my mid-walk turnaround. Now, this is my favorite motivational tool that keeps me walking longer. This is where I plan out my walk, and at the midway point, I plan to stop at a coffee shop, either a local coffee shop, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, or a diner. Then I take my time and pull out the pen and paper, reading glasses, and I get my thoughts down on paper right then and there. It's been a great benefit to me because so many ideas are generated during the walk. If you're the creative type, your walking time will have the ideas flowing. Now, if you don't think you're the creative type, keep an open mind to this. Keep an open mind to your thoughts and jot them down over a cup of coffee or tea or whatever else you like to drink. You'll be pleasantly surprised at the thoughts and ideas that come to you during your walk. Now, leave a comment below and tell me what you carry with you when you go out on a long walk.
A 2014 study from Stanford University has shown that people are much more creative when they walk around than sitting still. In the study, 176 college students completed certain creative thinking tasks. The study found that when people were walking, either on a treadmill or outdoors, they were 60% more creative than when sitting around. Overall, 81% of the participants saw an increase in creativity when they were walking. What's more, when the participants took a second test after walking, they were still more creative, showing the positive effects on walking continue even after they sat down again.
So click on the link below for your Get Out the Door checklist that I have as an incentive to sign up for my email list. And you'll also get my quarterly newsletter, Walking Inspiration, that I mentioned earlier in the video. Read through that checklist, get yourself set for every walk. It makes getting out the door easier. This is Frank for Walking for Health and Fitness. Walk on. So thank you for watching my video, and check out the other walking videos that I have to make walking for health and fitness the easiest way to get in shape and stay in shape.